myself. I had to get educated, and I had to differentiate myself from everyone else. Now I have an MBA in marketing. That degree has given me the ability to be able to grow as an individual and also as a professional. There is nothing that can set you back. Only you control that.
American Military University. Learn from the leader.
With Hurricane Florence now taking a more southern track, Myrtle Beach, South Carolina could be one of the hardest hit areas. That's where Jacob Reynolds is tonight.
Well, we're reporting here in Myrtle Beach where the situation has become more urgent as it appears Hurricane Florence could come over this area, the more severe part of the storm, and it's becoming obvious the city is taking this storm even more seriously today, ordering businesses to close, shutter their windows, and be out of here by 5 p.m., telling residents here that they should be evacuated by then as well. And the city manager ordered that no one be in the water here on the beach. In fact, so far we have seen some people asked to leave the water by ocean rescue crews out here in pickup trucks. And also the county emergency management division here has told people to stop coming to the beach to fill sandbags. They've said this beach is to protect the coastline. It's kind of a buffer between the ocean. They're asking people not to take sand from the beaches here, and they also have reminded people there are mandatory evacuation orders here. And in an ominous tweet from about 6 hours ago, they said if you violate those orders, you are technically violating the law. Reporting in Myrtle Beach, Jacob Reynolds.
You and I both love the beach. I love those stories. Stop coming to the beach taking sand, okay? That's a violation of the law. We need that sand out to help for later on, okay?
Absolutely. In fact, I was in Maine, in Peaks Island. Someone was trying to steal a rock from the island, and somebody said, you can't, an official said you can't do that.
Yeah, it's like taking a rock out of Rock Creek Park.
Exactly.
That's a federal offense.
Federal offense.
Right.
All right, well, yeah, the track keeps going further south. Good news for us, good news for our beaches too. But as you mentioned, I mean, a lot of folks vacation in the Outer Banks and in Virginia Beach, and Virginia Beach is in pretty good shape. Even the Outer Banks is not in bad shape, but Wilmington, where Mr. Herzog has fled his home, is the bullseye. So it's Category 3. We'll have an update for you in about 40 minutes. We'll be Facebooking live in about 45 with the 8 o'clock numbers, and I'm very interested to see if the pressure went up or down. That's a good indication. So we're going to take you into Friday, 8:30 in the morning. Category 3 off of Wilmington, winds 120. That's impressive. And then it begins to turn southwestward and just either inland on the coast or just off the coast. Big difference. If it stays off the coast, it'll stay a little stronger and could produce even more damage across the South Carolina coast. Then it accelerates, gets in some of the upper winds, and goes up toward Knoxville, Tennessee, and Asheville, North Carolina. I think we will not see any impact directly with the remnants until maybe Tuesday or Wednesday. So hurricane warnings in effect across most of North Carolina, down into South Carolina. We're going to see if these are expanded later on. They do have a watch, which includes Charleston, South Carolina. And then we have a tropical storm watch for our southern bay, but it's more closer to Norfolk than it is our immediate metro area. So storm surge, showed you this earlier. This is incredible. And actually a little different than what we showed you last night. This is a more red, which means higher storm surge, 10, 12 feet around Wilmington and south of Cape Lookout. And of course the inlets, as the water builds up and builds up, we get 12-foot storm surges as far inland as Greenville because of that. Up for our area, we just have a northeast wind, and that's going to give us some coastal flooding, but not because of Florence, because of the high. It's a blocking high. Thank you. That's keeping Florence down to the south, but it's also going to build water up across the western part of the bay. Much like last weekend, same deal. A persistent east-northeast wind on the west side of the bay and tidal Potomac will cause some flooding. So if we say coastal flood advisories are out, that's because of the wind, not because of our friend down to the south. All right, rainfall. Sunday, 7 o'clock. Only 5,700s here, and that's the European model. But I will say, by the time we get into Wednesday, the European a little more aggressive with the remnants through Tuesday, Wednesday. We could see rainfall amounts 1 to 3 inches in the metro area as Florence begins to move up to the north and to the east. So tomorrow, some showers and storms, 82, not a washout. Yellow weather alert Friday because it's Friday, not because we're scared of Florence. Showers and storms, but it's our wettest day of the next 3. Some showers and storms on Saturday, 82. Still not a bad day. And then Sunday for the home opener, not bad at all. 85, maybe a sprinkle. Some showers on Monday, and then Tuesday looks to be the best chance for Florence to influence our weather with showers and storms. 86 with a few